today we're going on a little adventure, guys. We're going to go out into this massive snowstorm because I want to go to Bath and Body Works because they just dropped their Disney collection today on a snowstorm. So we're going to do the Canadian thing today, and we're going to go out into the snowstorm and hopefully we make it. That car sounds like it's struggling. My God, look how deep these snowbanks are. This is like up to my knee. Oh my Jesus Christ. Oh my God. I must really want this wallflower plug. Oh my God. I'll try and give you guys a good view of the highway in a second. Oh my God. Look at this. Wild. Wild. It is like insane. Some of these cars are driving with fucking summer tires on. Wild to me. Oh my God, the lineup for the bus. I'm not taking this bus, thank God. Oh, there's no right way to do this. Oh my God. Oh, that is breezy. Jeez. No. This is absolutely nuts. Oh my God. Well, at least this is slightly better than what I was just on. Do I dare cut through the park? Probably not. You know, fuck it, let's cut through the park. It's faster. We'll find out if this is going to be a mistake or not. This is usually not plowed, in the wintertime. But it's faster to get to the bus stop. Oh my god. This might have been a mistake. Oh fuck. See, if somebody had walked through here, it would have been so much better. Oh my lord. I'm already out of breath. Holy crap. This is on another level. But you know, the temperature isn't bad actually. It's actually no wind for the most part. It's pretty warm. Oh my god. Definitely working out those calf muscles today. Holy jeez. I'm sliding everywhere. I'm like knee deep now. Oh, nope, farther than that. You guys gotta look at this. This is my knee. Wild. I don't know if that's better or worse. Look at my little path. Oh my god. It's getting deeper the more I go. Honestly, it's easier to walk in. This isn't going to get any better either. We still got another 10 centimeters coming tonight. Oh my god, that wind now. I'll just cup a sit right here. Take a rest. This is wild. Oh my god. Honestly, I haven't seen snow like this since I lived in Ottawa. Oh, what I wouldn't give for some snowshoes right now. It's not snowman making snow though. Too dry. Well, this was nice while it lasted. Back to fresh hell.
You know, I was already out and about in this area, and I figured, you know, I do really want this Disney collection that's coming out. And it just launched today at Bath and Body Works. And it's a snow day. So I guess the chances of me getting it in store are pretty high, I guess. Well, what I want anyway. Although there is a lot more people out than I thought. But I figured, why not go out and enjoy the weather. Not that I particularly like snow, but it's actually pretty warm today, so I don't mind it. If it was cold, I wouldn't hate it. Try not to get killed at this intersection. Good. I think I'm gonna walk to the next stop because I can get 2 different buses instead of 1 if I walk up the street. Unless there's one conveniently here for me, then maybe. Ironically, I'm pretty familiar with this area because the Science Center is actually just over there, and I was a big avid goer of the Science Center, so quite familiar with Don Mills and the buses and how shitty they are, much like most of the TTC in the city. Okay, let's see. No bus, so I'm walking. At this rate, I might as well just walk the whole way. Okay, so we're going to Shops at Don Mills, and it is saying now and in 6 minutes is another bus, either 9:25 or 25:08. It's not too bad.
How could I not? gonna say.
They even have an enchanted rose one too. Something here for you. Not really fun those. I like the Moana one better. $50 for the castle. Oh, the Tiana wallflower is cute too.
only have 2 Japanese cherry blossom left if you're a fan.
Okay, thank you. Easter. That's adorable. Well, I got what I came for. Change of plans. It took me 45 minutes to get on a bus. So the other mall I was going to go to was closed at 6. So I had to come to Fairview Mall to get this. But we got it nonetheless. So I'm going to go check out. Okay, so we got what we came for, and I'm heading home. I couldn't believe they even had the gold tote as well. That's a hard no for me.
finally made it back after that insane trip, guys. So I wanted to kind of unpack some of the stuff that I ended up getting from the collection and some just general shopping I did. My goal was to primarily go to get 2 things from the collection. I ended up getting 3 things, but I also wanted to get some of the wallflowers because it was my intention to get one of the wallflower plugins. So, and I was also out of wallflower refills, so I needed more. So I ended up getting some lilac mahogany. That's a new scent for me. I also got strawberry melon, which is also a new one. Looking forward to trying that one. It did smell really nice. Now we're getting into some of the wallflowers from the collection, from the Princess collection. This is the only Ariel thing that I got, but I am gonna try out the wallflower refill. It did smell nice in the store. I am a little on the fence about this one though. I feel like it might change smell once I plug it in, but it wasn't a bad smell when I smelled it in the store. I also got the Moana refill as well. This one smelled so good, I got 2. So my whole house is gonna smell like Moana, hopefully. Those were the only scents from the wallflower refills that I really liked. I absolutely hated the Belle one. The entire line of Belle scent really sucked. I was very disappointed. I was kind of hoping for like a rose kind of scent from the Belle collection. This, like even the Ariel collection, it kind of gives me like a watery ocean type thing going on. And I was kind of struggling to what they might do with Moana, but Moana is kind of a very tropical, fruity, kind of fresh scent. So that kind of fit Moana as well with the flowers and things like that. But Belle, I was anticipating kind of more of a rose scent, and I don't know what I got out of that. It was not flowers even. I don't even really know what kind of scent it was. It smelled pretty bad, I'm not gonna lie. Which is disappointing for me because Belle was my favorite princess growing up and was the collection I was mainly wanting to go for. And I was kind of disappointed with most of her collection, which kind of sucked. The Jasmine collection I really liked as well. Scent-wise isn't really my style, but I did really love all the little pieces that they had for Jasmine as well. Cinderella, again, not really my favorite princess, so I kind of didn't get anything from the Cinderella collection, but they had a lot of cute things, and the smell wasn't too bad, but they did have a lot of cute items for the Cinderella part. Who else am I missing? We got, Tiana. I did really like Tiana's smell too. However, I didn't buy any of Tiana's stuff, but it was a decent, well-rounded collection. She had a nice wall plug-in, she had a nice scent, and all the fixings. She even had like coin purses and things like that as well. Cinderella also had a coin purse. I'm not really into coin purses, so I didn't bother with that. But I thought overall, except Belle, they did a really good job with the different scents and matching it to the princesses. Whoever was in charge of Belle, you done fucked up. I was expecting roses or something floral or just something that would give me that Beauty and the Beast vibe. And when I think Beauty and the Beast, I think roses. And that is not, no. They just didn't hit the mark on that one, unfortunately. So I'll show you what I did get, aside from the 2 princess wallflowers I got, which was Ariel and Moana. I tend to like those kind of fresh outdoorsy smells. I ended up getting 2 wall plugs. These are the 2 things I initially went for that I knew I had to have. I have been waiting for Bath & Body Works to come out with a Disney collection for the dawn of time. When they started coming out with collections, I knew they had to do a Disney one at some point. I was very happy when the Bridgerton collection came out, but I'm even happier now. And I'm going to Disney next week, so it's kind of like a little preamble for me. So the only thing I ended up getting out of the Belle collection was the wallflower plug. This is actually a light up plug, and it also has scent control. $23.95. Most of this was very reasonable considering this is a Disney branded collection. Quite shocked, to be honest. Sometimes the wallflower plugs can get a little pricey. So I was totally fine when they offered $23 for this. Hopefully you guys can see this without too much glare from the light, but it's a Enchanted Rose inside, obviously the little Enchanted Rose glass thingamabobber from Beauty and the Beast. This was my favorite movie growing up, so I had to get this. And I can't wait to see what it looks like actually on and glowing. Hopefully I'll have another little part of that snippet that I can put into the video for you guys. But I even love that they even put the detail of the petals falling. So cute. Come on, tell me this isn't cute. So I really love that. And this is going to be one of my first scent wallflower plugs that I actually have scent control over. I've never had one. They've all been pretty basic, so I'm interested to try that out as well. So very happy with at least the wallflower plug from the Belle collection. That's really about it. Now, the real reason I went was for this wallflower plug. And I was in love with this as soon as I saw it, even more so than the Belle one. And I wouldn't say that I'm a big fan of this movie. I do like it, but I wouldn't say that it's my favorite Disney movie. But as soon as I saw it, I was like, I need this for my bathroom. So I got the Moana Wayfinder wall plug. Super cute with the little boat. And it's even got the flowers on the side there, which is really, really cute. And the swirl of the water in the ocean. This is also $23.95, so again, not bad. I didn't mind that at all. This one also lights up and also is a scent control one as well. Very excited to see what this one looks like. This one's going in my bathroom, only because I feel like it reminds me of a bathroom. It's so bad. But the water swirling reminds me of water and a toilet, and where else are you gonna find water in your house other than your bathroom, really? So this one is beautiful. It even has glitter going through the entire water part, which is really, really nice. And the boat's really cute with all the detail and the little Moana logo on there. Super, super cute. So this was actually why I went. If they only had this, I would have been fine. I would have been totally satisfied as long as I came home with this. I kind of took a little bit of a gamble when I went out. I was supposed to go to the mall closest to me. It closed at 6 and I ended up waiting 45 minutes for a bus that never showed. So I made an executive decision that I wasn't going to make it to that mall today, so I went to a different one. And they had it, luckily. So took a gamble, but we did it. So those were the two main things I initially went for. However, when I was just about to wrap up, they had one thing that I wasn't expecting them to have, because it's the end of day on the release day. I kind of wasn't expecting them to still have this, but they did. And I had to kind of justify it to myself because I paid $40 for this, but I really needed this. So this was sold out online. I could have bought most of this stuff online, to be honest, but I wanted to smell the products because, I mean, to be honest, I'm glad I did, because I didn't like the Belle collection at all. So I would have probably, if I bought online, probably bought most of the Belle collection, anticipating it to smell like roses, which is something that I quite enjoy as a scent, only to find out that it wasn't, and I would have been very disappointed. So this proves why we go in store to shop, folks. But nonetheless, I ended up finding the gold princess tote, which is sold out online, and I happened to just turn around to go look at one last thing, and I saw a rack of these and was immediately shocked that this was even here, because this is so popular right now that I'm surprised they had it. And I thought to myself, I am going next week on a plane that I need a personal carry size bag for, which I do not currently have big enough to carry most of my electronics. And I saw this and I said, this is my new airport bag. You can even fit a laptop in here. This would be considered a personal size bag on an airplane. So I could fit a laptop in here. I could fit most of my GoPro stuff in here. I justified the $40 purchase. I have to stand up for this one. But as you can see, it's got the embroidery all along the sides with all the different princesses all the way around it. This is probably one of the best tote bags that they've ever made. They're really starting to bump up their game in terms of the tote bags, I have to admit. This is a gorgeous bag. I love the gold. I love that they have all the princesses on it from the collection. has the Disney branding and the princess on it. And this is a first for me. They even have the Bath and Body Works logo actually put on here in like some sort of medallion type thing. It's not embossed writing, it's actually like a metal piece right across the top. So that's really like shows the quality that they decided to put into this design, which I really like. They even have a little hook here in case you want to add a little pocket back to that. Again, they had pocket backs part of this collection, but I did not buy them. But super, super cute. The back is very similar without the raised embossed Bath and Body Works lettering on top. Not that I mind, because I like the option to have that, but it is gorgeous. Look at this. So pretty. And I love all the different little embellishments that they have on it. And I've noticed that with each princess, they even have something that associates with the princess. So this is Cinderella, and they have the Cinderella carriage. So really, really cute. Love that. But the best part is actually the inside, which I will show you guys. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's so cute. I noticed this actually after when I got home, that it has each individual princess name on it on the inside with a quote in it as well. So I'll go through and I'll read those for you. We have the Ariel one over here in the corner, and it says, create a world you want to be a part of. We have Tiana over here that says, the world you want is almost there, you just have to create it. We have a Jasmine one, which is, be free to create your own world. And Moana down here, go against the current and make waves. Super cute. The Belle one says, open your heart to new adventures. And finally, I think we've gotten them all except Cinderella, but Cinderella says, magical things can happen if you believe in yourself, which is so cute. So for the Belle one, it seems to be more of a light ambient backlight. It's not so much to enhance what's happening in the wallflower mount itself. The most light that comes through is actually right here on the rose, just to kind of highlight the center of the rose a little bit. But for the most part, most of it's just in the back, as you can see. It's very light, very, just kind of an ambiance. You can kind of see the light there. It's not too strong. It's not like the Moana one. The Moana one is quite a lot more bright than this one. I actually was worried it was broken because when I plugged it in, it didn't turn on right away. So I was a little bit concerned, but it is very beautiful and very subtle. I do like the subtle glow of the rose. It's very enchanting, I guess you could say. It very much fits the vibe of Belle, which I like. Just for an example, I'll unplug this one so you can see the difference in the lighting for the two. And I'll plug the Moana one back in. So this is what it looks like lit up at night. Ignore the pink, that's actually from my room, but it's so cute. I love how it just highlights the water like that. Really cute. So as you can see, this one is quite a bit brighter than the Beauty and the Beast one, as you can see. So it kind of depends on what your lighting level is and what you like, but they both look beautiful in my opinion. Anyway, that's it guys. So I hope that you enjoyed the little kind of, I don't know what you call this, like a city walk video slash like behind the scenes of my life type video. I don't know. I guess it's more of a city walk thing because there was a lot of the city walk part. But I had a lot of fun actually filming this video and kind of showing you guys some of the things that interest me in my life and what I like to do with my spare time. Not that today was a spare time kind of day. I was actually supposed to work today, but then I realized I needed to get this collection. I needed to go. So I'm glad I did, even though we fought through a pretty crazy storm to get there. I had a lot of fun filming the video, and I hope that you guys enjoyed watching it. So until next time, guys, I will see you later.